Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Welcome to our journey together into the exciting world of online teaching. In the modern, digital age, teaching has evolved beyond the confines of a traditional classroom. Now the entire world can be your classroom, thanks to the power of the internet. This shift in the educational landscape has created amazing opportunities for those willing to embrace the online teaching profession. It's a realm where you can share your knowledge with students from every corner of the globe, right from the comfort of your own home. It's a space where your passion for teaching can truly flourish. But how do you start an online teaching job? What are the necessary steps to take? Over the course of our next few minutes together, we'll demystify this process and set you on the path to becoming an online teacher. Now, are you ready to jump into the world of online teaching? Let's get started. First things first, we need to understand what online teaching is all about. Imagine a traditional classroom, but instead of four walls, your classroom is essentially the entire world, accessible from the comfort of your home. This is the beauty of online teaching. It's a platform that connects teachers to students globally through digital means. Now, to make this work, there are a few prerequisites. A stable internet connection is non-negotiable. You wouldn't want your lessons interrupted by a poor internet connection, would you? Also, a quiet workspace is crucial. This ensures that both you and your students can focus on the lessons without any distractions. Lastly, reliable equipment. This includes a good quality webcam and microphone and a device capable of running the necessary software. Now that we have a basic understanding of online teaching, we can move on to the next step. To start your online teaching journey, you need the right tools and software. Let's dive into what you'll need. First and foremost, a good laptop or computer is essential. It's your primary tool, so make sure it's up to the task. Next, a reliable internet connection is a must. You don't want to drop out in the middle of a lesson, do you? And of course, a webcam. Your students need to see you clearly and feel connected. Lastly, you'll need teaching software. There's a wide range out there, from video conferencing apps like Zoom or Skype to more specialized platforms designed for education. Take the time to explore these and find what works best for you and your teaching style. Remember, the right tools can make your job easier and your lessons more effective. With these tools and software in hand, you are one step closer to starting your online teaching job. Now let's talk about preparing your first lesson. The first step in this journey is creating a lesson plan. A well-structured lesson plan is the backbone of a successful class. It helps you stay on track and ensures that your students walk away with the intended knowledge and skills. Start by defining clear learning objectives, then plan activities that help your students achieve those objectives. Next, you'll want to choose the right teaching materials. These can be textbooks, videos, interactive games, or anything that supports your lesson. Remember, variety is the spice of learning, so don't be afraid to mix things up. Lastly, prepare for potential technical issues. Familiarize yourself with the software you'll be using, check your internet connection, and always have a backup plan. This could be an offline activity or a different software solution. Once you have your first lesson prepared, you're ready to start teaching. Of course, to start teaching, you need students. But where do you find them? Well, there are various platforms that connect teachers with students. Websites like Teachable, Coursera, and tutor.com are great places to start. You can create a profile and advertise your services to a global audience. Now, setting a competitive price is essential. You don't want to undersell your skills, but you also don't want to overprice and scare potential students away. Research the market, understand what other teachers in your field are charging, and price your services accordingly. Attracting students is the next step. It's all about showcasing your expertise, passion, and teaching style. Make your profile stand out, offer a free introductory lesson, or share student testimonials. These strategies can help build trust and attract students to your virtual classroom. With students ready to learn, you can now officially start your online teaching job. And there you have it, the steps to starting your online teaching job. We've walked through understanding what online teaching entails and the kind of mindset it requires. We've explored the necessary tools and software to facilitate your lessons and make them engaging for your students. We've dived into the process of preparing your first lesson, creating a conducive learning environment, and making your content relevant and exciting. And finally, we've discussed finding students, building a community, and establishing a solid reputation as an online teacher. These are the building blocks to kickstart your journey in the world of online teaching. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. It's about taking that first step, setting up your virtual classroom, and welcoming your first student. So, don't hesitate. Embrace the challenge. Remember, the world of online teaching is vast and full of opportunities. So take that step and start your journey today. I'm Teacher Sam, and I wish you all the best in your online teaching career.